The heat wave situation as far as the northern part of the country is concerned, with temperatures crossing 48 degrees, whether it's Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and also in parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Now, what really is to be seen is if Delhi really crossed that 52-degree mark. We're talking about the Mungeshpur area, which recorded 52.9 degrees Celsius. But the IMD is saying that they're investigating the matter if the monitoring system had not malfunctioned due to the heat that is prevailing in the national capital. But the primary weather station, which is Safdarjung, recorded a temperature of 46.8 degrees Celsius, and that is also the highest it's been in the last 79 years. It was back in 1945 in the month of June when 46.7 degrees was last reported in the national capital's Safdarjung area. So we are talking about heat wave conditions which are prevailing, but a gradual decrease is expected as far as the intensity is concerned. An orange category warning has been sounded off for areas of Madhya Pradesh as well as Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana. Well, heat wave conditions are also prevailing in parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. We have Ishika joining us to get us more on this. Ishika, not very sure if Delhi crossed the 52-degree mark or not, but what we do know is that it touched 49.9 degrees Celsius the day before in that same area of Delhi as well as another area, Narela. So, all in all, records are being broken as far as the summer is concerned.
Yes, Divya, Tanushka reporting. What we do know right now from the Met Department as well as from the Minister of Earth Sciences, Kiran Rijiju, is that while the temperatures were at a peak, especially yesterday, Wednesday, Delhi did see intense heat wave conditions, but the city did receive some respite in the evening with a light drizzle over. So in the next 7 days, especially over the weekend, the IMD has forecast that for thunderstorms or dust storms, so citizens of Delhi might get some respite from the heat. Heat conditions won't entirely go down, which means the temperatures might not entirely subside, but heat wave conditions are likely to not prevail over Delhi in the next few days. And as far as Mungeshpur is concerned, the temperature that was recorded at 52.9 degrees Celsius yesterday, the Met Department says that there might be some error with the sensors or a local error. So that is something that they are looking into with respect to their data and their sensors, and they might be confirming that whether the record that was temperature that was recorded was in fact factually correct or not. And other than this, the areas of Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, especially West Rajasthan, will be seeing heat wave conditions, but at the same time some respite is expected again in Delhi with thunderstorm or dust storm conditions today as well. IMD has also forecasted dust storm or a thunderstorm for today. Right now the temperature at this hour is around 34 degrees Celsius, and the forecast for today stands at 45 degrees Celsius, while in the past few days the temperatures, especially yesterday, has varied from 45 to 49 degrees Celsius in Delhi. We're yet to see how far the temperatures go up to today. The forecast is at 45 degrees Celsius with dust storms and thunderstorms. Back to you.
Right, we're also seeing a change as far as the temperatures in Rajasthan are concerned. Do remember that we had seen the temperature cross the 50-degree mark as far as Rajasthan is concerned, and now we're seeing the highest temperature as of yesterday for Rajasthan is coming in from Pilani at 48.2, followed by 47.7 degrees in Churu. We also have 47.5 degrees in Alwar, followed by 47 degrees in Falodi. What is the situation on the ground? Any improvement being felt in terms of the heat wave situation? I mean, we do know there's an orange category warning. It's over to my colleague Harsha.
Well, a little bit of good news in store, because now this is probably the last day of the heat wave. From tomorrow, temperatures are expected to come down marginally. In fact, across Rajasthan in the past 24 hours, temperatures have come down by 1 to 3 degrees. So Jaipur was relatively cooler at 46. Of course, Pilani was quite warm at 48. So was Fatehpur at 48. But the 50s, the really record high of 50s have not been registered. The temperatures have come down. We've seen that across the state, water cannons are being used to put water across on streets so that it cools down a little bit, because remember, the concrete radiates a lot of heat. So ground temperature is always more than the air temperature. Definitely feels hotter on the roads than it feels otherwise. Also interestingly, with 31st and 1st, they're expecting a lot of dust storm activities. So hopefully that will also bring down temperatures even further. Of course, the Chief Minister is tomorrow taking a high-level meeting to review the heat wave situation in Rajasthan, also to look at facilities of water and in hospitals, because remember, secretaries have gone out into all districts over the past 2 days. They'll be coming back with their reports. So a high-level meeting by the Chief Minister tomorrow, and the temperatures in Rajasthan coming down very, very marginally, still hot, but not unbearable as it was just 2 days back.